In this video, I'll show you how to connect n8n with Google Drive in under 5 minutes. Before n8n can access your Google Drive, it needs permission. That's where Google Cloud comes in. It lets you create a secure pass called OAuth credentials, so n8n can access your files safely. Without it, Google won't let anything in. Let's set it up. First, click on the Google Drive node in your n8n workflow. In the field labeled Credentials to Connect with, select Create New Credential. Next, click on Open Docs. Then follow the link to the Google Cloud Console. If you don't have a Google Cloud account yet, go ahead and create one. If you already have one, open the Cloud Console, click Select a Project, and create a new one. You'll be asked to name your project. I'll call this one n8n Automation. Once it's created, click Select to open the project. Now, open the navigation menu, go to APIs and Services, and click on OAuth Consent screen. Click Get Started to begin setup. Google treats this connection as an app. You're just giving it a name for the consent screen. I'll call it n8n. Add your support email address. Then click Next and choose between external and internal. Personal accounts can only select external. Internal is reserved for Google Workspace users. Next, add your contact email under Developer Contact Information. Scroll down and agree to the Google API Services User Data Policy. Click Continue, then click Create. That's it. Your OAuth consent screen is now set up. Now we're ready to create the actual credentials. Click on Create OAuth Client. Under Application Type, select Web Application. You can name it whatever you like. I'll call it n8n. Scroll down to Authorized Redirect URIs and click Add URI. Now, go back to your n8n project and copy the value from the field labeled OAuth Redirect URL. Paste that into the URI field in Google Cloud, then click Create. A screen will appear showing your client ID. Copy it, return to n8n, and paste it into the client ID field. Click OK. Then, click the name of the OAuth client you just created. In the Client Secret section, copy the secret. Go back to n8n and paste it into the Client Secret field. You'll now be prompted to sign in with Google. But before you do, you need to add a test user. Otherwise, you'll get an Access Denied error. So go back to Google Cloud. In the left sidebar, click Audience. Scroll down to Test Users and click Add Users. Enter the exact email address you'll use to connect your Google account with n8n. Once your test user is added, go back to n8n. Click Sign in with Google. When prompted, grant all requested permissions. This is required for n8n to work properly. That's it. Your Google account is now securely connected to your n8n project. Before testing the connection, there's one final step. You need to enable the Google Drive API. In Google Cloud Console, use the search bar to find Google Drive API and click Enable. Now we can test the setup. Throughout this tutorial, I've been using a Create Folder node as the example. In the folder name field, I'm now entering n8n test folder. Then I click Test Step. When I check my Google Drive, the folder appears, right under My Drive. Everything works exactly as it should. If you want to connect n8n with other Google services, like Gmail or Google Docs, the process is the same. But you don't need to start over. The hard part is already done. To reuse your credentials, go to Google Cloud, open the side menu, then go to APIs and Services, and click Credentials. Select your project, and on the right, you'll see your client ID and client secret, just like before. Paste those into your new Google node in n8n. Just one more thing. Don't forget to enable the API for the service you're using. For example, search for Gmail API, click it, and hit Enable. To help you follow the full process of connecting n8n with Google Drive and other Google services, I've created a step-by-step checklist. It comes with checkboxes so you can tick off each step and avoid the kind of errors that cost time and cause headaches. You can download it for free. Just follow the link in the description. I'm Cade Coda, your AI automation Yoda. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe to stay ahead in the world of AI automation.